Unfold the secret to making the crispiest and tastiest Nigerian fish roll at home. This recipe alert is a game changer for anyone who loves this popular West African snack. Learn how to make flaky golden fish rolls filled with spicy fish filling, perfect for a quick snack or as a side dish. Get ready to indulge in the flavors of Nigerian with this easy to follow recipe, Nigerian fish roll. It is a classic snack that is easy to make and fun to eat. So if you're looking for a tasty and easy to make Nigerian snacks, be sure to watch till the end and give this recipe a try. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel and thanks for stopping by. Kindly watch till the end for the full recipe and don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, like, comment for more healthy and active recipe ideas. To start, let us prep our sweet potato. Next, let us get the onion ready. Grated ginger and garlic, and then we'll get our fish ready. For the fish, you can make use of mackerel, tuna, sardine, any fish of your choice, and then go in with potato, onions, garlic, ginger, turmeric, spices of your choice, and then seasoning. We then marinate, add some water, and we bring to boil. Our fish is ready now, so we are going to debone it and then we flake it. Our soft boiled potato, we are going to mash this as well. Next, let us prepare our fish mixture. First of all, I go in with carrot oil and then vegetable oil, ginger, garlic, onion, fresh pepper, black pepper, then little salt and seasoning, spices, since we have already added little to the boiled fish. So green peas, this is optional. Allow to fry for some minutes. Then the flaked fish. Mashed potato, Last but not the least, lettuce to give it that leafy feeling or that leafy sight. There, look at what we have. Look at what we have, looking yummy. Next, let's prepare the dough. We are going to combine the flour, sugar, pinch of salt, then we combine. Melted butter, liquid milk, one egg, that is for this recipe, then we will gradually go in with cold water and then we will mix until crumbly to form a smooth dough. You can get permanent access to my recipe cookbook and other ebook on easy to make homemade recipes from your hair to your food, skin, baking and so on. Check out the description box below to see how you can access them now. You must get a soft dough, not too hard and not too sticky. So go in with the cold water gradually so as not to overuse the water. And now we have gotten our dough. We are going to allow it to rest for about 5 minutes. This is after 5 minutes. This is what we have: fluffy. Let's start forming the dough into shape. We have an online training going on for those who want to spice up or advance their cooking, baking and all recipes game. Also check out the description box below on how you can get access. And then place a spoonful of your fish filling onto each dough. And this is what we will have after rolling out. You can roll your dough out into any shape of your choice. As you can see, that is my own form, or that is my own style of rolling out my fish roll. Now heat up some oil in a pan. Let's fry those beautiful fish rolls until golden brown and crispy. I added onion first so as to add aroma to my fish roll. The aroma will draw everyone in the kitchen. And there, crispy, tasty and crumbly fish roll. Look at that beautiful sight, and yummy on the inside. And there you have it, crispy, mouth-watering Nigerian fish roll, perfect for snacking or as a party treat. You can follow us on our display social media handles and let us become friends and advance together. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more delicious ideas. Share your thoughts in the comment box below. Like, share, comment and turn on the notification bell for you to be notified whenever we drop a new video.